Dear students, greeting. I, Dr. Amit Page, Assistant Professor, SVKM NMIMS, School of Pharmacy and Technology Management, welcome you to the fascinating world of Pharmacy and Technology Management. When you have completed your HSC education, it is now time to enter a career path. A path which will give you recognition, satisfaction of the service to the society, as well as good rewards in the monetary means. MBA in Pharmaceutical Technology appears to be such a course when it is pursued from NMIMS, the Narsee Monjee Institute of Management Studies. This plus 12 course is a unique integrated program where a student is educated about techno-managerial skills in pharmacy. What is pharmacy? Pharmacy is a blend of science dealing with the discovery, design, formulation, quality assurance, and marketing of the drugs or pharmaceutical substances. This is a continuously growing science with sky as its limit. Drug is any chemical substance used to treat or manage the disease of a person or manage or free a person from the disease. So it is highly required that a pharmacist get a medication for a proper treatment. A person practicing pharmacy is known as a pharmacist, the expert of medicine. A good pharmacist should ensure 6 rights in pharmacy: a right drug to a right patient, in a right dose, at right time, by a right route of administration with right counseling. To ensure this, subjects in pharmacy are classified mainly in pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutical quality assurance, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, and regulatory affairs. Pharmaceutics is an art and the science of manufacturing where collection and proper use of ingredients convert a mass of drug into a precise form of the medication suitable for administration, termed as a dosage form. Pharmaceutical chemistry deals with the synthesis, structure, and application of these principles in modifying a drug substance to increase their effectiveness. Pharmaceutical quality assurance controls and assures the quality of pharmaceutical substances or dosage form to ensure correct drug is given to correct patient and in a correct dose. Pharmacology deals with the effect of drug in living organism. It involves study of new drugs on laboratory animals to judge the effectiveness of drug. In practice of pharmacology, one has to deal with the effect of drug on human beings and animal. This gives rise to pharmacovigilance, that is, observing a drug in market along with its regulatory aspects. Pharmacognosy is the branch of pharmacy dealing with natural drugs and its modification to ensure purity and efficacy of the natural substances. In the School of Pharmacy and Technology Management, you will get every opportunity to get exposed to every aspect of pharmacy in addition to basic substances in pharmacy. It is the only place where you will be groomed to be a responsible pharmacist and a proud citizen of the globe. So, welcome to the fascinating world of pharmacy. To have solved your queries about admission or any regards, feel free to contact. Thank you.